What's up everyone, it's PZS here. So I give you guys another little biking video. I'm going to go this way. I'm just going to go a little further. So here we go. Okay. I believe I turn right. Really shifted gears. I think I'll do that. Go away. Shoot. Go away. I've never ridden a bike on here before. Pretty sure I'm going the right way. see. Let me... Alright. Weird thing is that if I continue going down there, I'd go into town. But if I turn here, I actually go back home. So it's kind of like a circle. Look at this hill. Oh, joy. Look at this. I'm going to pull over here because I will annoy people. Hello. Blimey! Well, walk it. Oh, alright. There's just more uphill. I'm going the other way. Oh. Sorry guys, I've been down this road several times, but there's just way too much uphill. This one here is also uphill, but it's not as extreme. That was rough. Yep. Wow. Alright guys, I'm going to take a break here. I'll be back in a minute. So you take a quick break. Those hills back there were killer. Alright. So here's the deal. I tried earlier today. I tried to do a couple things with this bike. I tried to put a kickstand on it, but I don't see anywhere a spot for a kickstand. There's a hole on that rod, but I don't think that my kickstand won't work there. But otherwise, I have to lean this against me. It'd be sticking out like that. It'll go this way. Oh, it's starting to rain. Dude, I'm taking a break right now. Oh, shoot. Well, so much for that. I gotta get back on the bike. Get home. On a day like today, we could get some serious rain. You guys can see up there. So let me get on the bike and we'll go back. Alright, let's head back. So anyway, as I was saying, yeah, do not have a spot for my kickstand, which bummed me out a bit. Not too happy about that. The other thing I tried to do is put my water bottle cage on, but I can't find my water bottle cage. I don't know where I put it. Wherever I put it, I don't know where it is. So, bummer. All I really got done today is I cleaned up my chain. That's about all I did. On your road. Just trying to see if anyone wants to come behind me. There's a bit of downhill coming up, I do know that. I'm taking full advantage of that. That was a cat. A lot of stray cats. other side of the cemetery I stopped at last time. It was part of the same one. It's a dead possum. Gross. Let's take a little rest stop. That's all. I'll be back when I'm ready. Okay. I just took a little rest break here. I'm gonna go ahead and head on a little more after this car goes by. Okay. Let's go home. That's what I was saying last time, try not to go too fast. But I was ready to get home. Yeah, I thought cars weren't going to become an issue. Had I stopped there, holy cow, you know? I try not to do that going up Clovis Road. See, I didn't even hear that car. You know, I've been pulling over way before cars come, so you can hear them. That was clearly a stupid idea, but we're almost home, so good. I was coast down here. Relax. You all know what this looks like. It does look cool though, and it's nice and overcast. Okay. Guess not. I'll be ready. Never assume yourself too sure of something, right? Man, guys, I don't know what I'm gonna do with this video. It turned out to be way too long than I thought it was. Well, way longer than I thought it was gonna be. Because I started going up one way, but then I turned around. Because just too much for me. And the way I ended up going up wasn't too much for me. It was quite nice, but I am pretty sure if I just turned around right then and there and then went back up, I would not have had to make those rest breaks, but wow. I have a new respect for people who bike up that. Even the one that I went up. I mean the one that I ended up going up. It's the one that I turned into. Holy cow. So I'm not sure if I'm going to take all that out and take out other bits as well. That's probably what I'm going to end up doing. Thought about maybe speeding it up while I was coming over. Looked like a neat little time lapse, but that will take hours, if not even like a day, to render that. So probably speed up a few parts and delete out a few other parts. Alright, now comes the ultimate challenge. The hill. I'm pretty sure I'll make it. I mean, going down that way was fun. That was so fun. It felt level. That's the thing, it all felt totally level. But it was slightly downhill. But I mean, I was just going at a really great speed. I thought it was fun as heck. I'll do it again, but not by turning into that. Maybe I'll do that eventually. But, you know, I started biking at kind of the wrong time of the year because fall is coming up, then winter. And then it'll be way too cold and dangerous to go biking. So I'll have to wait till spring. I don't particularly like spring. I mean, I like spring, but not very much. What I do like is when winter is turning into spring. I've decided this year that is probably my favorite time of year, including fall. I really like fall. Here we go. Oh my. Oh wow. Squeak. I am home. Oh, thank goodness. That hill wore me out. Oh well. That's it. Wow. Thanks for watching. Do I not look tired? It turns out I was gone for just about an hour. I think I started riding around 2. It's actually 2 hours. Wow, that was friggin' fun. But dude, this is gonna be a long video. My laptop's battery. I let it die almost completely down, then I plugged it in. About half an hour later I started riding. It's still charging. Whew. You should be done by now, but it's just an old battery now, so oh well.